Hello Internet! This is a special video for me, for I wanted to make something completely different. I wanted to show everyone what kind of wonderful parts could be found in an old printer. And I was mainly looking for electronic parts. But what I found was way more valuable. The perfect parts for kitbashing, trashbashing. I will first disassemble the printer, then I show you some parts. I'm going to show you some beauty parts, some especially beautiful ones. And then I will show you a little setup that I did with it just to show how you can use it in making sci-fi kitbashing. It's just a proof of concept. It's not very elaborated, but I took some time with it. I hope you enjoy. Okay, now that the printer is disassembled, I will show you all the plastic parts, or just a quick run through the plastic parts that I harvested from it. With the next parts, you've seen them before, but I tried to do some close-up shots just to see how good they would look on film or on a very slow dolly pan across them. Now that I had all those beautiful parts, I wanted to do something with them. In the beginning, I just wanted to create a photo opportunity, just to make a cool shot, arranging them in a way. But this turned into trying to build a trench, a sci-fi kind of trench. And yeah, I did that just with the parts from the printer. And here's a quick time lapse. Now that I had this beautiful trench, I needed something to do with it. So I decided to build something of a little probe droid or a little spaceship that I can then put into the trench. I didn't film it, but I got some photos and then the results. Now that I had built all that, I saw that it was way too much just to take a photo within it. And in the last couple of clips you might have seen that I built some rigs for the little probe droid. And so I tried to shoot a little sequence within this trench. And yeah, I'm not good at sound editing, so there's a little bit of sound under there. But everything you see in the following clip is just made from this one printer. It's bonkers. It's just this printer. Please let me show you. Ain't that amazing? It blows my mind just how many cool parts you can get out of some old machinery. And this laser printer, it served me well, so it was not trash found, but it was mine, but it was trash, for it didn't work anymore. It is unbelievable how many cool parts you can find, like in old CD players, DVD players, whatever, printers. I find printers have especially cool parts in them. It's a treasure trove. It's just a treasure trove of parts that you can do like any sci-fi thing with. So I think. And as a bonus, you're getting a whole lot of electronic parts that can help you like build motion control rigs, everything. It's so cool. Now, just as a little proof of concept, I just took a very, very short scene, just where the ship flies in, and put on a little bit of visual effects just to show myself, okay, how far can I take it? And it didn't take too long, a couple of hours. And yeah, so I show you the raw shot, color grading with visual effects and with a camera move. Please watch. I don't know what you think, but I think it's pretty cool. Just a printer, pretty cool. If you like this stuff, want to see more of my stuff, please subscribe, like, write a comment, interact with this clip, and this will help me. I will play the clip once more. I say bye-bye, and hopefully you will spend your time with me on the next upload. Have a good week. Stay making. Bye bye.